how do I ease into this? I don't know if you ease in. It doesn't have to be as dramatic as I'm building it up to be. I'm just overworked. I'm overworked. I've been cranking so hard. I've been cranking nonstop since I left Corridor. Making videos, posting every single week, trying to stay consistent, trying to keep up with that algorithm. Man, it's a grind. It is a grind, especially doing everything by myself. Being my own manager, my own producer. I shoot everything myself, light everything, do all the VFX, freaking write everything, edit everything, color corrections, sound design. Oh, it's a lot. It's a lot to do by myself, and doing it every single week is proven to be pretty impossible. Impossible if I'm trying to make great content. I just crunch myself so hard. It's like I'm stuck in stop and go traffic where a project comes along and I've been chilling for a little too hard because the last project was just intense. And I'm like, oh snap, the car in front of me is 10 cars ahead. I got a full speed ahead. So I just crank it, I'm just burning gas, staying up really late, waking up really early to get the project done. Do this for about 2 weeks. Friends are calling, hey, wanna hang out? Can't hang out, gotta work. Dang, maybe next week. And it just gets to this cycle where like, finally I'll be able to slam on my brakes. Oh, 8 in the morning, I pulled an all-nighter, I get to go to bed. But I'm sleeping through the upload and now I can't post to Twitter and Instagram on time because I burnt myself out and I'm not working smart. I'm not working smart. I gotta work smart. I need to pace myself. That's what I'm learning. It's finally time. It is finally time to pace myself. So instead of trying to stay consistent and post every single week, I'm gonna focus a bit more on putting my heart and soul into the things that make me happy. So what I'm gonna try out is make a video that I'm passionate about, like this photo scanning video I'm gonna do, how to build a computer for CG artists who are just starting out, this Unreal Engine breakdown coming out next week. Focus on the videos that I'm actually excited about and really passionate about. And try and do one a month. And maybe work in some guest live streams in between that. So that's my first step to pacing myself on this channel, to put out better content. That's what we're trying to do. Trying to get a work-life balance, make better videos, and hopefully we'll all be happy together. I need to focus on the stuff I'm amped about and not the filler content, not the snacks. No snacks, no more snacks. Maybe some snacks. A little bit of snacks are good, but having a diet on just snacks, who can live off of just snacks? You're gonna be frail, but have a big old gut. It's gonna be weird, like you're gonna look unhealthy. I need that meal. I need that big old meal, the meal that's been prepped for a week. That's the kind of stuff I want to do, So cheers to y'all. Thank you for hearing me out. To my patrons, thank you so much. My goodness, thank you so much for helping me out. That takes some stress off of me. Woo! To being passionate about what we do. Cheers. Peace out, y'all. See you soon.